the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever seen before. I've just finished droning it and it's spectacular. I'm gonna put the name down below as I cannot pronounce these names. It is ridiculous. But yeah, I'm gonna go up there, get some awesome footage. Seriously, Iceland is the most beautiful place. We have 4 more places to go and visit today, so stay tuned. Destination number 2, which is Skógafoss or something like that. The name will be put up here again. We're having struggles getting the drones up because I think we're not allowed to drone. Someone came up to us saying that there are signs up there, but we always drone from the parking lots just to make sure that we're away from people. But I'll give you a sneak peek. This is just from the parking lot, and it's a lot wider waterfall, but not as tall. So we'll head out there in just a bit after I get these drones up and hopefully provide you with an awesome glimpse of what we're actually viewing right now. I guess it is Chris.
Hey, driver.
And Sandrine coming to you from the car. I'm literally sitting on top of all our luggage. It's crazy. We should have actually got one of those massive caravans to tour around, to have all your stuff here, to just charge things when you need it. So I guess it's lesson learned. But it is crazy raining outside, and there's no ways I'm going up to that massive waterfall to come back with wet equipment. So if you do come to Iceland, make sure that you've got those cool camera waterproof covers, the kind of plastic things or whatever. We got the drone app just before it started pouring down, but oh, Jordan have
hello. He's back. I'm gonna get Mer's gloves because it's freezing cold and your hands will freeze off if you don't wear these.
And you need some gloves. So yep, they're out there in the rain, and Chris and I are more of the comfortable type.
5-star beach people.
Yeah, 5-star beach people.
Look at the beach. No, Iceland's cool.
It's still stunning. Yeah, I'll save my equipment for another destination.
Good time we had.
We are in the rain.
Shitty weather. I don't know if I should use that language for your vlog.
That's not great, thanks. Alright, so it is raining cats and dogs.
I look like a little Eskimo.
Can't hear myself because I have extra stuff everywhere. But because you guys are watching my vlogs, I have to walk all the way in the rain to go and get a view for you. Otherwise I would have been in the car, so...
I don't know how cold it is.
So we're
probably like 3 degrees right now.
It's not, hun, it's 10 degrees right now.
It feels like 3. Really bad.
But yeah, we can't drone because it's raining.
Bring your cameras out. Taking some nice photos.
We're just going to take some awesome pictures.
I'll attempt to. I don't know if I could.
Attempt.
We'll see.
But we're walking towards this place called like a black sand beach.
Yep, that's what it's called. Black Sand Beach.
Black Sand Beach in Iceland. So I'll walk there and show you a little view. And here we go. Here it is. The Black Sand Beach, and you can't see anything.
It's so green. God.
so bad. Welcome to the black sand beach. Yeah, it's literally feels as dark as it is right now. But this is it! Ta-da! Our last stop of the day, we have stopped at Black Beach restaurant in Iceland, and it is still raining as you can see. Plenty of people, massive tourist attraction, but hopefully the weather can settle down and we can have a look at some views. But for now we're gonna eat. After a really great lunch, we have got really lucky. It's slightly drizzling, so we're going to take a chance with taking the drones up. Apparently people are getting really wet even going down there, so we're at the Black Beach, I think, which is very similar. We just had to drive about 27 minutes to get to the other side of this spectacular place. I just love the background with all the mountains. It's gorgeous. But I've got Chris and Mer in the car, busy droning. I'll be taking over the drone in a second, and not sure if we're gonna walk up there, but I'm gonna put some amazing footage. Hopefully it's not too overcast, and then we're gonna be driving back to a hotel, which is another 2 hours, and I think we have a really awesome day ahead of us tomorrow.